Tonight for dinner, we are eating No Peak chicken. It is the absolute easiest recipe or meal you can ever cook. You literally put every ingredient, which is only 4, into a pan and bake it. So, first you need 2 cups of rice, and we use jasmine rice. Extra in there. After you put your 2 cups of rice in, you are going to put 1.5 cups of chicken broth. And 2 cans of cream of chicken. You're gonna put your chicken. Most people, it says they use chicken thighs, but I just use chicken tenderloins. You're gonna take your onion soup mix and sprinkle it over top of it. And if you wanna put some seasonings in it. So, let's see. I will put some salt and pepper in it. First. And my husband says I over season everything, so maybe go a little light on the seasonings. And then we'll do the Kinder's all-purpose meat and veggie. Then, or now, we're gonna put the onion soup mix in. Just sprinkle it on top. When you get done doing that, you're going to put foil over it, just secure it on top, preheat your oven to 375, and you're gonna bake it for an hour with the foil on top. I promise you, you're not gonna regret it.